Yo, nah, that's a lot. I didn't go sleep, bro. I got a pain in my stomach. It's like, think I need to quit these fizzy drinks, bro. I've been drinking this, and wow, woke up. It even got more bad, bro. Let me wipe my phone screen. The day is the 16th. Oh my god. Even when I stand, bro, it's crazy. Day is the 16th. I'm about to hop into the markets real quick. I wanna go see if I have tea. So I'm gonna make me some tea for this shit, bro. I gotta do some exercises because we hard. Oh my god. Yeah, sometimes we hard. Yeah. But yo, all jokes aside, you know what I'm saying? About to go make me some tea and then I'm hopping into the trading. And that's gonna be the vlog for the day. Just that. Because I'm not doing anything else. Because my stomach is killing me, bro. Killing me. So yo, first things first. Um, so right now we currently going to the end of Frankfurt. Never mind the noise outside. Wait, let me just. So here we go. So normally we go to Forex Factory. We check if there's any news for the day, any major news. Boom. We got CPI on GBP. So we got quite a lot. We got a lot going on. We got quite a lot going on. Yeah, we got a lot going on. Now, normally when I see this, I tend to stay out the markets. But let's first see if we get some sort of entry. Let's see if we get that. So we're up on a 15 minute. We're up on the 15 minute right there. I like to check the size of length of Tokyo. So it can, yeah. Just like it to check the size. Alright, here we go. So what we're waiting for is just this candle. Or not that one, the next one. To just do its thing. A 15-minute time frame. Very slow though. Very slow. That's very slow. I mean, it tends to do this. You know why it tends to do this? Because there's so many news, right, that's about to affect this market. That is like, it doesn't move until when, like, basically when the news come. Until that time, it doesn't move. But now she's not moving, bro. Like, look at that. We have more move. We have more of a move in New York. Sorry, in London. In Asia. In London, bro. What? That's how much we got. We got a move of 109 points, bro. That's how much Asian session moved, bro. Let's just see London session yesterday. I think London session moved about a little bit less than that. But that's a lot for Asian session, I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of movement, bro. To be quite frankly, I don't like when there's a lot of movement in Asian session, bro. Don't like that. Yeah, this video is a little bit, my gut is sore, bro. So it's a little, I'm not gonna speak that much, because as soon as I breathe, I'm hurting the shit out of me, bro. It's crazy. Anyway, let me come back in a minute, bro, because we still gotta wait for the 9 a.m. candle to close in a 15-minute time frame, and that's gonna take a while. So with that said, I'm gonna come back, video it, and then I'm gonna go. I just need to really lay down a bit, and yeah, I'll see you guys now. Currently in the bathroom, but yeah, this candle's about to close. London session look more like, Frankfurt session look more like how Asian session's supposed to be looking. Crazy. I'll keep you guys updated on trade. So as you can see, we swept the highs of Asia session in Frankfurt. So now we're just looking for a clear supply area, which means small blue candle, big white candle, supply. So notice how we got snipered entry right there because we got a supply. So now we just wait for a retest and we take that trade all the way down. Sniper, we ain't playing, bro. We not playing, bro. Look at that. Ooh. Sniper. Yes, sir. We're not playing. We're not. Like and subscribe for the video, man. Just got a sniper entry, bro. Look at that. That candle just wicked in and poof all the way down saying, fuck you. That's what he said. I'm currently on the bathroom side shit. About this trade about to hit TP for sure. Look at that. Look at all that volume, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, this is all because of this. This is all because of this, bro. This is all because of this, bro. That's 778 FX. See what I'm saying? All because of that. Look at that. Sniper. And there we going. Straight to your mama's house. Straight to your mama's house. And there we go. TP smashed, bruh. TP smashed. Smashed. And it hasn't even been. Look at that. And it hasn't even been an hour, bro. Look at that. TP smashed all the way. Let's go. Currently day 3 of the trading. Yo, I just made like this water in my hand. I'm like, damn. And by you, I didn't even go to gym. But yo, this is day 3 of I don't go to gym anymore. Like I've stopped. It's been a year now since I've stopped. Almost a year. I'm gonna say almost a year since I've stopped. Been a couple of months. A lot of months. Almost a year, yeah. I think it's need just 1 year now. I mean, just not just 1 month. Then it's gonna be a year. Just this month is gonna be a year. I stopped, not because I wanted to, just because I wanted to really lock in on trading. So I had to cut off everything. Listen, I don't even have my music studio set up anymore. There's nothing like that. It's just me in the charts, bro. Me in the price action. That's it. And so yeah, that's what it is, man. I have to make some sacrifices. And so now that I'm getting good at it, and now that I'm a plan, I'm saying getting good at it, bro. Like I'm just starting to trade, like, but I've been trading, bro. That's crazy. This piece of paper right here, and God is what's gonna make me a millionaire. Just this piece of paper and God. That's all I need. That's all I need, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, we're gonna jump into the charts. It's currently 8:59. We're gonna jump into the charts right now. I'm just gonna turn the camera so you can see that. So here we are about to jump into the charts right now. Let me get my glasses, bro. Because we don't want to be trading blindly, you see what I'm saying? Bar, bro. Bar. So first of all, we're gonna go hop onto the 15-minute time frame real quick.
Right. Now going on 15-minute time frame. Starting our sessions real quick. So now we have to wait for the 9 a.m. candle to close on the 15-minute time frame. So that's all we need to wait for. I'm saying we need to wait for that candle to close, and then we can be able to decide and make our decision. I've set my limit for longs. Now I'm just gonna set and forget, come back, and see how we did in a couple of minutes. Now there is another OB over here on the 1 minute time frame, and if we look closely, it just got hit right here, sniper. It just got hit right here to the T on the 1 minute. Now I could have placed my order like this. But then I have the risk of being stopped out when it comes down to this M5. So I think I will keep my entry at where it's supposed to be. That shit. So I'll keep it there. Yeah, I'll just keep it over there. For longs, I trust more M5 OBs than M1. For shorts, I trust M1. So guys, stop loss was hit over here, but now that I'm seeing why, it's because of this head and shoulders on the 15-minute time frame. I did see it before, but I decided to keep my buy limit locked in. Head and shoulders on the 15-minute, on the 5-minute, and head and shoulders on the 1 minute. Three time frames starting instead of this. Head and shoulders, and we're gonna go down. So what did I miss here? I missed the M15 OB in Frankfurt, and that could have been a W for the day. And guess what? Looks like we're getting that same energy from London right now. Same energy, nice rejection, literally a sniper, right? So we could have taken a trade from here, but we already lost the trade. We're not going to jump into this trade. I just want to see how this trade plays out, and next time I would then know, hey, for buys, look for M15 OB. Not for 5 minute, not for 1 minute. M15 OB, that's what you're looking for. And so what I am seeing here, let me break this shit down to you. I'm seeing head and shoulders, right? Head and shoulders on the M15 minute time frame. So if you can't see it, this is it right here. Left head, right? Left shoulder, head, right? And then boom, distribution all the way to the downside, right? That's what I see right now. So I should have hopped out of the trade a long time ago, because clearly London right now, we're gonna go retake out these lows and then go to the upside. That's what I'm seeing. You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm seeing. Now, I still do believe that we might, at this area right here, at this area right here, because we got a M15 or OB right here, demand area, and we inside of this M15 right now, right? We're inside of this M15 right now. So I do believe that we could reject this area, or we can completely ignore this area and head down to break these lows fully in London, and then New York is just going to continue. So we're just waiting it out, seeing what's happening. We got a rejection candle on the M15, on the M5, right? If you look at this, we had some consolidation right here. Sellers obviously won, and now we're going to the downside with this nice I'm gonna say nice, nice volume for sellers hopping in. So I don't really care if I'm losing this trade. I've always been a little bit skeptical with the buys of my plan, and I'm learning. This is a learning curve for me, right? It's a learning curve for me. What I can see is that sellers did break out, did win the fight. Now we in this OB demand zone under 1 minute. So sellers did win the fight. Sellers is putting up a fight today. But also, you gotta know that we did have a whole lot of news, ladies and gentlemen. Like, see what I'm saying? So market is not acting the way it should be acting. So as you can see, we had a lot of news on Euro today. Back to back to back, we got Euro over there, and we got some no more Euro news over here coming out later on. So you know, you don't really expect a market under pressure or a currency under pressure to act normal because it's under pressure. There's a whole lot of news, right? Think about it like a person. If a person is under a lot of pressure, they don't act like they should be acting or how they normally act. So if there's news coming out and it goes into my favor, I will get stopped out, because what the news normally does is it does this. It spikes here like that, right? And it does boom, boom, right? That's what news does. So take you out and then going all the way up to your TP, because we still have to take out the highs. So you know, I'm pretty still confident that we finna go take out the highs. It's just that we need some bullish volume. Now this is where people will start to get worried. This is where people will start to be like, oh my god, I was so wrong about my stuff and da 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 da. Bro, I literally got 3 trades this week. I'm up about 700. If I lose this trade, I will be up about 700 for the week. I'm good. See what I'm saying? So I don't care if I lost one trade because this little piece of Holy Grail didn't give me what I needed. Nah, bro. Like it always gave me what I needed, and it always will. For 3 days straight, I've been profitable, as you can see. Profitable, and there's more. So I've been profitable with this strategy. Doesn't mean I'm losing one trade, I'm gonna lose faith in the strategy. No, because if you look closer to this, like I said, I should have been smarter about this trade. Why am I saying this? Simply because of this. I saw the head and shoulders. I saw the head and shoulders created. I saw it on the 15 minute, I saw it on the 5 minute, and I saw it on the 1 minute, right? And I saw it on the 1 minute. Why didn't I take out my trade then, or delete my stop or my buy limit? Simply because I am a disciplined trader. If a trade is not meant to be, and that was my bias for the day. I'm not gonna say bias because market don't really give a damn about your bias. Market's gonna move and do what it has to do. Whether you catch it, whether you don't, it's part of the game. See what I'm saying? So for me, it's like I saw the pattern, I saw everything. Pardon me. Why didn't I take away my buy order if I saw that we was gonna go down? If I saw the pattern and I knew that we was gonna go down, simply because I want to be disciplined. If I have a bias for the day, I'm gonna say bias for the day because really the only way to explain. There we go. We're gonna go hit stop loss because we completely disregarded this OB on the 1 minute and disregarded the OB on the 50 minute. So we're gonna go head down, and I do believe that we're gonna go and we're gonna go take out the high. There we go. Stop loss was hit. So I do believe that we're gonna go take out the lows of London, of New York Asian session, retake it out, right? So we're gonna go and take it out, and then I believe we're gonna go all the way up. But like I said, this trade, I would take it over and over and over and over again, because it was a good trade. We got a M1. We had an M1 OB over here, right? M1 OB, and so we just tapped into there and went all the way up, right? Tapped into there, went all the way up. But then, obviously, we pulled back, and we pulled all the way back. And I do believe that London right now is going to go take out the lows of Tokyo session, Asia session. What does that mean for us? Is that, well, you know, we just have to wait, because our plan says wait for Frankfurt, which we did. Frankfurt did take out, and we was anticipating a buy. Now, I do believe if I took the trade here, TP would have been smashed, right? TP would have been smashed. If you see, TP would have been smashed right there. But the thing is, I never trade in, how can I say, in Frankfurt session. I never trade in Frankfurt session. I always trade off the Frankfurt session. So I wait for Frankfurt session to close, and then we start trading, right? So that could have been a W for the day, but that's not how we trade. With that said, I am gonna keep an eye out on this market, because if you look here, we took it out, then we created this OB right here. So this is a 50-minute OB. Boom, 50-minute OB created. So where do we get entered? We get entered right here, right there, and TP smashed. So what's going on here right now is that we are revisiting this OB, and potentially from here we can go up. So we can go up from here, basically. Guys, so right now I'm just looking into Alpha Capital right now. So just looking to buy a funded. But like I said, man, I think I'm gonna upload the yesterday and the days vlog together, because yeah, you know, I didn't really have time to do that. I was really just focusing on my plan and doing some work in the behind the scenes, you know. Always got to do some work behind the scenes, I don't lie. But yeah, man, it's your boy Sonny KD. We continue the journey. See what I'm saying? We continue trading. So up nonetheless. See what I'm saying? Tomorrow morning, I'm going to get up earlier, and I'm going to go out for a run. I want to go out for a run, because it's been a long time since I've started running and, you know, doing all of these type of things. Exercising. I also need to get back into the gym. It's been a long time since I haven't been in the gym, so yeah, man, it's time to just really lock in. See what I'm saying? Yeah, it's your boy KD, man. Follow the journey. If you're learning things, you know what I'm saying? If you're learning new things, drop a like below. See what I'm saying? Subscribe and all of that, man. Right now, we just locked in. I'm also watching this interview on the side of Tory Trades. Yeah, Tory. So yeah, man, you know, on that journey to making 1 million euros in this room right here. Got the whiteboard all set up. So we on this journey to making 1 million euros in this room. As you can see, I just added some new things, but that's that. Had some Greek yogurt, and peace.